Hello guys, welcome back to Microsoft Original GH, and on today's lesson we are going to learn a lot in creating an e-commerce website. As we've learned already, this is the website we created couple of days ago, and then yeah, that is what we did, and we were able to create these things, the buy now and the others. Yeah, so I have successfully, I gave you an assignment to, I assign you to do the rest. So I hope you are done with it. So I am good to go with mine. So yeah, I think I am done with all the necessary things. But today we are going to see how to create a little bit slider here instead of the static image, and then we will see how to create um the order now page, right? So that if the person wants to order something, the person can order it. Do you get it? We will be creating that one as well. So let's get started. Yeah, so let's hop back into the Mobirise, and then let's start to do something. So for this one, we will just delete the blog, right? So let's delete it. Okay, then let's add a sliding page or something like that. Yeah, so I think one is here. Okay, this is it. This is very nice. So let's add that one. It will be at the bottom, but let's try to bring that one up. Let's try to bring that one up. Okay, yeah, let's do that one gradual process so that we can reach to the top. Okay, so as you can see, we are almost there, and we are there as well. So this is it. We can go to the settings, and then you can decide to play a video. You can decide to autoplay, show bullets, and other stuff, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to rearrange some things up, right? So what we are going to do is, let's change this name to Microsoft Market, right? Microsoft Market, and then we say we deals with all kinds of is it electrical gadgets, or how do I classify this? Let's say electronic goods, right? With excellent sorry, come on, what is that? Okay, goods. Yeah, so let's remove this, and then we can say for the windows, we will be saying that let's say maybe um get, so let's say get details, right? get details, and then I would like to maintain our blue color, right? I would like to maintain our blue color. And then for the Mark II, we will say shop now, right? And then for that one too, I would like to maintain this red color. I like this red as well. All right, so yeah, let's try to work along with the images in the pictures. So for the this is the first image, right? So you click on the image, then you browse from your computer. Then we have all these tabs here, and then all these tabs here as well. So I will be going to my downloads. So going to download, then going to banner walls, right? So on the banner walls, I will first choose this, then I click OK, and automatically you can see that it is being changed. Now I will go to the second one, which is this one. Then I will just click on that one too. All right, browse image, then I select the third one, and that one too fits. It's perfect. Then let's go to the last but not the least, that is the video one. I'm not gonna add video because I'm not ready to do so. So what I'm going to do is I will remove the play the video, and then I will just add an image. So that will be this one, and it's kind of good, it's kind of good. All right, so you can adjust the opacity of it. You see that the opacity that shows the brightness of it and the other stuff, you can work along with it. If you want to place the text on the left side or on the right side, that will work from here in the center. It will work very perfect for you. And yeah, so that is what we were talking about. Now let's try to work along with some things up so that we can start working along with other stuffs. So you can go ahead and then readjust some settings and yeah, other things. So all these you can decide to show it, you can decide not to show it, and it all depends on you. I would like to change this logo for the iSoft market. I would like to change it. So I'll go to my desktop. I will relocate myself back to where my images are, and then I would like to choose this, right? I would like to choose this image, and then it will suit it very nicely for me. All right, then let's see how the header looks like. I would like to edit the header, so you can decide yeah, you can decide to work along with it. All right, so you can show sticky, collapsed, you see. So it all depends on how you want to do it, right? Transparency, you can add some transparency to it so that it will look nice, very very nice. So when it's at the top, this is how it's gonna be like, but when you scroll down, it will be blue, right? Then you can hamburger color, then the back color as well. So we want to, and then we have the hover color as well. So I would like to leave it like this. Then let's try it out and see, right? So I'm just testing it up from my browser so that I can see what I'm doing. So it will just open it for me up here. It is working and it's under process. So there you go. You have your picture slider. You can decide to remove the transparency, and it will work perfect for you, right? And then it will work very very nice for you. Now you can see that this is transparent. You can work along with that, yeah. And then this too, is also nice and beautiful. So guys, on our next lesson we're going to do, we will be looking at how to create a separate pages for these options. So we have the home. We will be getting the system unit, the monitor, the batteries, the cables and wires, mouse and keyboards, and then the others. But for now we will be working for the system unit, right? So let's create a new page for the system unit. Okay, we are going to create a new page for the system unit, and that will be, let's say, one page, right? So for that one, instead of showing this stuff, it will not be showing, but it will rather show another thing else. So let's see. So it will be like something like this, but here will be monitors, and then the monitors only will be displayed here, right? So let's work along with that. Let's go back, and then let's go into our pages now. We have monitor 1, monitor 2, monitor 3, monitor 4 till system unit 8. Those are the system units that we just created. I told you I assigned you to do that, so I hope you are good with it. So let's duplicate this system unit, let's clone it, and then we will call this all system units. Sorry. All right, all system units. Then for the all system units we will say system units, right? And then for this block we will just delete it, right? We will delete it. Okay, now let's go back to our home page, right? We want to do something here so that it will let the work be so easy for us. Now we have the system unit here. This one we can save to user blog as well, so that we get it here, right? Okay, we have the first system unit here, so let's delete this. Okay, let the monitor be there because we will be using the monitor as well. Then let's delete the subscribe, and then let's save this blog as well. So we have these two monitors here, system units here, and then let's see the monitors as well. We don't have this monitor, so let's save this monitor here as well. So we will be getting all these blocks in our work that we are going to do. So let's go back to the all system unit page, and then we will go to our user blocks, and then we will be adding only the system units, right? So if you were able to create a lot of blocks, you can you can add it up here. Yeah, then you are good to go. Then let's add another page. Let's clone this, and then we will call it monitor all monitors, right? So let's say all monitors. Okay, so concerning all the monitors, we are going to edit this, and then we will call it all monitors, right? All right, then we delete this, then sorry, we delete that one too. Then we add those blocks we just added. So we have the monitor, and then we have this monitor as well. So that is it, but we will be linking it to it so that we get to know what we are about to do. Then let's add another block. Sorry, let's add another page, and then we will be calling this cables and wires. And then for these cables and wires, we will maintain these images, but we will rather change the images, right? So let's click on the image, browse to your computer. Now you see that we have cables and wires here, and they are all good to go. So you just work along with that. Okay, now it's been changed. Yeah, okay, it's been changed. Please mind you, I will be putting the project file, the full complete project file, in the link description below. But yeah, you can download the project file if you have any challenges concerning this stuff. So we are working along so that we can get some nice workouts here. So yeah, you can decide to add so many things here so that you can get the cables well done. All right, so I think we are about to be done. Last but not the least, okay, I have this cable here, so let me change this one for now because I have this cable here. All right, okay, now let's see for the services. We don't have laptops here, right? So for the mouse and keyboards, we will say laptops, right? Because we don't have laptops here, so we will say laptops instead of monitors and keyboards, right? All right, so you can go ahead and then add a lot of stuffs here. It all depends on you how you want to do it, you know. It all depends on you. All right, so I'm gonna see back to my images and see how best the cables and wires I have. I think I'm done with that. Yeah, I think I'm done with that. Now let's see how best we can add. So all these monitors will be cables and wires, right? All right, so we are good and then we are done. So let's add let's clone it, and then we will be calling this all laptops, right? All laptops, and then we will say laptops here. Then we will be browsing out for the laptops here. Now I have the laptops here, and I will be quickly doing that. Yes, so as you can see, we are doing it. All right, all right. So working with Mobirise is kind of good because you get a full access to do everything on your own without spending a lot of money in all the stuff. You get it? So yeah, I think Mobirise is kind of good. So we can, the laptops, we can add another page as well. So let's add one blog. Let's add maybe one monitor here so that we can add addition 4 items, right? So let's browse to that one too. Now let's go down, let's add these 4. Okay, now let's do this. All right, so my images are not clear, sorry for that, but I think you can still work along to get some quality images online, and it's kind of good and then kind of nice. So let's see, we are done with the laptops, cables and wires. Now we can go in for the batteries, right? And then we will deal with the others. So let's clone the laptops, and then we will say all batteries, right? So we will say laptop batteries, right? Okay, so let's start to change some things up. Now we have a lot of batteries here. You can work along with that as well. and yeah, you are good to go. You can get a correct images for your work, because um, this is a tutorial lesson education, so you can decide to um, do it in yeah, anyhow you want it to do it, you know. So yeah, these are my batteries, and I don't know if I have a lot of batteries here. I can, okay, I think I have one battery here. Let's see. All right, so I think these are my batteries I added, right? These are my batteries I added. So yeah, let's delete this blog here. So we will just click on this, go to settings. Instead of 4 columns, we will say 2 columns, right? Sorry. Let's go back and then let's make it 4, right? But let's try to duplicate something here. Let's do some duplication. You can try to get some images to assign it back, but I'm trying to duplicate things here so that I will be good to go, you know. All right, so I'm done, and for this I will delete this blog. I don't need it for now because I have only 2 laptop batteries here. Now let's work along with the other page. So others, for the others, I think hey, stop it. For the others, sorry for that one, that was my last one. He is very crucial guy, and he always gives me trouble when I'm learning or doing videos online. So he always called me my dear. So if you hear any sound which is related to my dear, it means he's calling me. Yeah. So yeah, let's continue, guys. Let's call this other products, right? So for the other products, let's start to look for some products like maybe this one. Yes, my dear. Then let's look for another image. Let's say something like you can add something like this. Then we can add another thing like this. All right, there are all other items, right? Other products which are not being classified or grouped. So we can go ahead and then add memory cards, right? We can go ahead and then add power supplies, you know. Those items are all classified as others to me, right? So you can decide to rearrange all the things you need, all the necessary things you need to add up to the others, and you are good to go. Yeah, so let's add some power supply. So I'm done. So I'll just bring in about 2 of them. Yeah, and then I will readjust them back. So okay, I have this here, and then I will change this one too as well. All right, then I'll change this too. All right, all right, so I think the keyboard and then the mouse will be added up here. All right, so let's work along to see how it's gonna be like. All right, so you can add a touchpad, anything related to other items, you can you know, add it up. Now we have a lot of things here. Let's see this one, then let's work along with this one too. Yeah, okay. For the mouse, I think I need to change it. I don't need to add a mouse because the size of it is yeah, kind of different, you know. So let's add this USBs, and then I think we we are good to go. Now the others are kind of good. All right, so guys, we are done. Let's go back to the home page and then fix some things up. So we will be going by, okay, I would like to change this image now because I don't feel it, so I'll just go by and then choose this image rather, so it will just be like this. Yeah, this is kind of cool. All right, then let's say enjoy our products. All right, now let's see if we can adjust some text here. For this text, all products are affordable and reliable for your companies and other businesses, right? Okay, so I think for this one too we are good to go, and then we can readjust some things up here. For this one, I would like not to use these buttons, so show buttons will be off, and then yeah, I would like to edit this, so we will say production is a priority, right? Then we say we are here to serve you better in all aspects of technologies. You know, you can write anything you want to write there, but I would like to, you know, keep this in. So I would like for this to be my home page, beginning home screen. So I think I'm done here. So let's go to the service, and then we will be working with a system unit. Let's link that one to the pages. We will go in for all system units. So this is it. We will insert the link monitors. Let's link that one, and then we will say all monitors. Insert that one. Batteries link, we will say all batteries. Insert cables and wires, we will say cables and wires. So let's go in for the cables and wires, and then let's insert it. Let's go for the laptops, and then yeah, all laptops, insert others, and then I think we are about to be done here. So yeah, let's save it, and let's preview it in our browser, and then let's see how best it works. Let's see how best it works. Yeah, so now you can see that it is working very nicely, and you are good to go. Yeah, so yeah, that is it. Now you can see that everything is very nice, beautiful. Wow, then you have everything. Let's see if we can work along with the system unit. Now you can see that we have the system unit. The monitors, you can see that we have the monitors. The batteries and other stuff, we have the batteries. The cables and wires, we have the cables and wires. and then the laptops too. We have the laptops, and then the others. We have the others here. So it's up to you to link it up to create products like what we did from the home page, like this one. When you click on this, you will see that it will directly bring you here, and then you can work along with that one too, so that you will get everything in touch, nice, neat and beautiful, you know. So guys, on our next lesson, we will be looking at how to, let's say if I want to buy something and then I just click on buy now, I want to order. So what arrangement will it be like? How will the arrangement be like? So we will be working on that one too on our next lesson tutorial. So thanks for watching and enjoying this particular lesson. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And my PayPal email account, my PayPal account is in the link in the description below. If you want to buy me a coffee, you can do so. Thanks and have a nice day. Bye bye.